what is the culture and what is the special food there?
Mm. See, this is a Muslim country. Okay, if I say about culture, so people are so good, and if I say about food, so chicken biryani is so famous in Kuwait. Most of the people like to have chicken biryani. And if I say about currency, so
Yes.
Kuwait currency is dinar, and dinar is a very yes, very very good afternoon, madam. I'm so well, fantastic. And what about you?
Yeah, I am also buzzing with positive vibes. Thank you for asking. So, how is your day going on?
Yes, my day is going on well. I'm so happy. We strived a lot to have a conversation. Finally, we are meeting, so I feel so
Yes.
happy, man.
Yeah. Thank you. So, we are meeting first time. So, could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, really, I would like to introduce myself. So, well, my name is Amdi Jrai. I'm from Bihar, but I'm currently talking to you from the Kuwait. My hobbies are listening to songs, watching movies, and traveling. Moreover, I run also YouTube channel where I upload English conversation videos. I believe that learning English is the foundation of success. That is why I have put my heart and soul into this language. Yeah, that's all about me. It is my bit introduction.
Okay, so you are also from Bihar. So, which place from you?
Actually, Bihar, my I belongs to Madhubani district.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So, let me introduce myself. So, my name is Kirti. Basically, I hail from Bihar also, and I live in Bangalore. I am a homemaker as well as a mother of one kid. Apart from this, I am also learning this language to enhance my communication skill. So that's why I have created my channel to enhance my communication skill to boost my confidence also. So it's about me. So how long have you been learning this language?
I have been learning this language for last 2 years.
Okay, so why are you learning this language? Because you are living in Quebec, that is the reason?
Yeah, really, actually, I live in Kuwait, and I want to learn this language by hook and by crook because it is necessary to talk in English
Yes.
in Kuwait because I travel by flight. When I travel by flight, I have to speak English there. If
Yes.
I don't speak, if I don't learn, then I'm not able to purchase a single a single bottle, water bottle. You know.
Yes.
Mm. So that is why I want to improve my communication skills. And it is
So when when have you started your journey? So that time, what type of challenges you are facing?
mm, actually when I was a beginner, I was not aware it about grammar. I was so confused. I was in dilemma that how to start, where to start. Okay, so even though I did not have environment, so I faced many problems just because of environment. So first I learned grammar, and so many obstacles came in my life. Even though I did not give up my journey, because I knew that every cloud has silver lining. If I try, I will learn. If I don't try, then I will not learn. So I tried. Now I am learning and I am speaking. Okay, I have improved a lot, I can say.
Okay. So what type of step you are taking to learn this language?
Uh, I believe first of all, spoken English in spoken English, because when you practice with someone, automatically you can improve. The first I learned grammar, basic grammar, present, past, future. Okay, so that I would comprehend everything. Then
Yes.
I started reading book. Okay, and I started talking with a stranger like you, and I have improved a lot.
Yeah. So you are getting involvement there?
To be honestly, I'm not getting environment here
Yeah.
because
So yeah.
because Kuwait native language Arabic, and Arabic is spoken in the Kuwait. Okay, so most of the time I have to speak only Arabic language, okay, not English language. So that
So
is
you
why
know,
I have been facing problem. Yes, I have learned Arabic language. It's been 10 years. Uh, I live in the Kuwait. Okay, that is why I have learned also Arabic language because it was my compulsion when I came to Kuwait. Okay, if I had
yes,
not learned Arabic language, suppose now I wouldn't be here. So just because of Arabic language, I am here because I am able to communicate in Arabic language. Okay, so when you live where you live, okay, so first we have to follow okay their native language. Suppose if you go to Canada, Australia, for that we have to speak only English. If you are not
yes,
aware, if you are not able to speak, definitely you will face lots of problem. Am I right?
yes, yeah, yeah, yes. It is a true actually.
Hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. So, what is the culture and what is the special food there?
Hmm. See, this is a Muslim country. Okay. If I say about culture, so people are so good. And if I say about food, so chicken biryani is so famous in Kuwait. Most of the people like to have chicken biryani. And
So it,
if I say about currency, so
yes,
Kuwait currency is a dinar, and dinar is a very valuable of the entire world. If I say about
yes,
one dinar equal India, it would be 310 rupees
yes.
currently. Okay, and
So
they are,
why is it famous?
yeah.
Why it? Why is it famous?
You are talking
That
about
place?
dinar. Dinar.
No, no, no. That place.
Okay, actually, you are talking about Kuwait, right? Actually,
Yes,
Kuwait is
yes,
famous because there are lots of crude oil in the Kuwait, like diesel, petrol, gas. Okay, there are unlimited. The more you dig, the more you will get petrol and diesel gas. Okay, in the
yes.
into the earth. Okay, that is why Kuwait is called very richest country, very richest country. If you search in Google, you will get. And there are
Yes,
many places which are very famous like Malia, File, and Murgab. Okay, Farvania. Okay, there are so many places I have been to there, and I have seen big ocean, and lots of very beautiful place, building, lots of company. Okay, I have seen there. That is why Kuwait is very famous.
so, what type of work you are doing?
Well, I am a trainer. I train the pigeon. Okay, pigeon bird.
Okay.
I train pigeon in Arabic language. How to
Mm.
call, how to fly. Okay, I know how to train. Okay, the first I didn't know when I came here, so I didn't know how to train the pigeon. So I was taught my boss, and I learned. This is
So,
also a skill. This is also a skill. So now I can say I have a skill.
okay, this is the first time hear this thing. Actually, we can train the word also.
Hmm. Yeah. Actually, pigeon. I when I came to here, also I didn't know about the pigeon bird. After coming here, I got to know. Oh my God, the pigeon are trained in Kuwait. Hmm. When I came, then I got confused. I thought, how will I train the pigeon? Because I am a man. We are human being, and how to call, how to teach. Hmm. I was so confused. So my boss, to ask me one day, Israel, you look like so worried. What happened? Then I said, I don't know actually how to train the pigeon. But he told me, okay, don't worry, I am here. I'm with you. I will teach you that how to train the pigeon. So he taught me, my boss taught me. Yeah, my boss is so good. He helped me a lot. Okay.
So, why are you training them?
Well, when I train the pigeon, my boss, sells pigeon in very high, okay, with very costly. When I train the pigeon, he sells pigeon, one pigeon, price of it 1 lakh, 2 lakh. You won't even believe in me. So he's earning lots of money, okay, just
Yes.
because I know
I am
I'm.
al- I am also amazed to listen to,
Okay, okay, that's great. Okay.
because first time I hear.
Okay, first time you are hearing. Okay, even
Yes.
when I connect with someone, when I say about my job, okay, after listening, they feel, oh my God, they will, they learn different thing. Hmm.
Yes.
I'm usually asked that, oh my God, you are a trainer of pigeon bird. How to train? Okay, the people in the pigeon and the people, get, confused. Hmm.
Mm.
So when I tell after that, they believe in me. Okay.
Yes.
So, can I ask you some question?
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Okay, one last question I want to ask. Okay, so which place do you recommend if people want to visit there?
Well, according to me, Kuwait is a very good place. Okay, very good country. If people want to visit, then I can say people you must visit Kuwait, because if they come here, they will get very fantastic and beautiful place. Okay, and really they will enjoy after coming here.
So could you recommend the place's name?
Yeah, definitely I can say Fahil. File is a very, very famous person. Sorry, very, very famous place. Okay,
Okay.
in Kuwait. So
Yeah.
if you get chance, would you like to come here?
Definitely, if I get chance, why not? I will go there.
Okay, okay.
So Dubai is also nearby.
India, nearby Kuwait.
Yes.
Are you getting call?
No, no, no.
Okay. So my question is, may I ask question?
Yes.
Hmm. So my question is, do you think that timid person can become fluent?
Yes, they can if
How?
they have a burning desire. Then,
Okay. Okay.
because if they have taken a plunge to learn this language, so why they will also learn this language.
Definitely. Every can say every timid person can become fluent, because when they follow consistency,
Yes.
discipline, okay, definitely they can become fluent, because consistency
Yes.
is a success of key. If you practice each and every single day, if you listen, if you watch some English videos, definitely you can become, okay, fluent
Yes.
and confident. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. The thing is that the beginners, have a lot of fear to making mistake. Okay,
Yes.
and when they have a conversation, they feel so much hesitate. Oh, I don't have confidence. Okay, so confidence comes from the practice. When they practice more and more, definitely confidence, confidence will come to him and her, right?
Yes. Yeah, I totally agree with you because I have seen to myself actually.
Mhm. Okay, so when you are a beginner, okay, what was your level at that time?
Actually, that time always I try to translate.
Okay.
Then
Mathly, mathly,
then I
mathly.
have to speak.
Okay, mathly to English.
Not Hindi to English.
Hindi to English. Okay. Okay. So why
Yes,
did you try to Mathli to English? Because you are also from Bihar.
but I don't know Mathli.
Okay. But you told me that I am from also Bihar. Which part are you living in Bihar?
Patna.
Patna. Okay, so what is your native language? Bhojpuri?
Maghi.
Maghi, okay. So why didn't you try to your language into English?
Sir, always I used to speak in Hindi with my friends also. Only I have to speak with my family in Maghi,
Okay, okay. So you did not try, only you tried Hindi
Hindi
to
to English.
English.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So your beginner, your starting time, your level was zero. Am I right? You could not speak English well. But now,
No, actually that time I was speaking, but I was not fluent.
okay, you were not fluent at that time.
Yes.
Then how did you come? How did you become fluent? Can you tell me something?
Actually, I have also joined WhatsApp community. There, I have connected with co-learners, and every day I was practicing. Whenever I get some topic, so I try to uh, discuss that topic with co-learners.
Okay, okay,
So in that way, I get the fluency, and yeah, I always try to be consistent
okay. So where do you practice?
with co-learners.
With co-learner. Okay. How
Yes.
many hours do you practice?
Whenever I get time, definitely I have practiced so 3 to 4 hours in a day.
Oh my God, 3 to 4 hours. That is why your English
Yes,
is so good. Hmm.
yeah. So that's why that is the reason. Means whenever I got timed, so I used that time.
Okay, okay. You are using your time so wisely. Hmm?
Yes,
That is why you are so perfect. Your English is so better and fluent. Hmm? So how many
yes.
years? How many years take it to get fluence?
Within a 6 month, I get.
Wow, it is so amazing, madam. Within a 6 month, you got fluency. Hmm?
Yes, but I have practiced so many times. Means I have given so many hours.
Oh my God. Okay, okay. So you practice every single day, 3 hour and 4 hour, huh?
Yes,
And you have been practicing for last 6 years
six
consistency. Okay.
6 months, not 6 years.
Hmm. So you are very industrious. You are very industrious girl. You are very laborious girl. You are doing so hard work. Hmm?
Yes.
You want to conquer this language.
Yes, that is the reason. Means I was giving my heart and soul to learn this language.
Oh, that's great. Yeah. Yeah, see, unless you give heart and soul learn this language, I think you can't become fluent. Okay, right?
Yes,
When you
yes,
have desire, after that we can learn. Because
yes.
this language,
Earlier I used to procrastinate. I will learn. But that time I didn't learn. But when I focused, then I
Mhm.
learned.
Okay, okay. So you used to procrastinate at that time.
Yes,
Okay. You did not mention consistency, discipline. Right?
yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So nowadays you are not doing any procrastinate. Okay, I will learn tomorrow, morning time,
No,
evening time.
no. Whenever I get chance, definitely I try to connect with people.
Okay. So what do you want to say about beaver, new learners and beginner? How many practice? How many hour should they practice?
At least 1 hour they have to practice because everybody has a own work also. So they try to take out the time.
Okay, 1 hour. If they practice 1 hour, definitely believe that you believe that they can become fluent.
Yeah, I believe that. But be to be consistent, and they don't just uh, say I will do. No, they have to practice whenever they get time.
Okay, okay, that's great. And also, I can say that if they practice for 1 hour each and every single day, definitely they can become fluent,
Because
because 1 hour it's enough.
yeah, because 1 hour you have to try to connect with people, and most of the time, whenever you get time, so you watched anything, you listen anything, so in that way you we will learn.
Okay, okay. So tell me one thing: how you are improving your vocabulary?
Sorry,
I'm telling you. Tell me one thing, that how you are improving your vocabulary.
that's disconnected.
Okay.
Yeah. So, what are you asking?
Okay. Now my question is that tell me that how you are improving your vocabulary, because vocabulary is very
Ac-
important in speaking part.
Yeah, because I am also learning. I am also improving my vocabulary. So I have to use in our conversation deliberately.
Okay, okay, okay. So when you listen any podcast, conversation video, or when you get okay unknown vocabulary, what do you do?
I jotted down.
Okay, and after that, how do you remember and how do you practice?
That's why means whenever we have jotted down, so we have to use deliberately. Otherwise, we forget.
Ah, okay. So after jotting down, when we have a conversation, we have to implement at that time,
Yes.
right? And that
Yes.
vocabulary will come to your mind. If you don't
Yes.
use, then you will forget. If you don't implement, you will forget. Hmm?
Yes, and
Yeah.
we will not learn so many vocabulary in a day. Just only we have to try one or two.
One or two, yeah, real easy. Because sometimes it is hard not to cry. Hmm. When you learn
Yes,
three and four and five, your mind does not allow you to learn five vocabulary in a day. But if you learn one, two, it's okay, right?
yes,
Because
yes,
this language is a lifetime process. Hmm. No one can
yes,
say that I'm going to learn this language within a 6 month and 1 years. Hmm.
yes,
We have to practice. We have to learn this language till last breath. Am I right? Okay.
yes.
So how long?
Not on.
Yeah.
Sorry,
How long will you learn this language?
how long?
Hmm.
When, means whenever I get chance, means I am also learning.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Mm, because we will not learn this language overnight. Just we have to give our time. I think this is a life. You also said this is a lifelong journey.
Yeah. I mean to say, I'm telling you that how long will you be learning this language?
If 1 years, yeah, 2 years also.
Okay.
Because
Okay. Huh?
we will every day we are learning. So we will not say I will learn in 1 year. I will learn in 2 years. Just we have to say I am fluent, and every day I am improving ourselves.
Okay.
I
Okay.
am improving myself on.
Mhm. We will be
Yeah.
learning language for a long time, right?
Yes.
Because we.
Because every day we will see that something is coming new.
Mhm.
So we will not say we will learn in 1 year, 2 year. It is a lifelong journey.
Mhm. Right, definitely. Okay, okay. So, do you go to school every day to pick up your son and daughter?
Yes.
Okay. So, being a home worker, we have to manage all things. So, how do you manage your time? What do you do? How do you connect with others?
Yeah, after going my daughter means I have done my household chores. After that, I try to connect with people.
Okay, okay. So, how many conversation video do you make in a day?
This is
Three.
this is my first. Not first. This is the second actually.
And how do you get partner? I'm not getting partner to have a conversation. Do you have any group? Can
By
you me?
okay, I will send you.
It is men's group and ladies group.
Both are there.
Okay. So you can join me because sometimes I don't get partner to have a conversation. So running it YouTube channel is running YouTube channel. It's not easy because
Yes. Yeah,
right.
I will share you their number so you can message them so they will add you.
It's paid and free.
Free.
Wow, that's great. Thank you so much, madam.
Okay. So you have any other question?
Have you taken lunch or not? Because you look like, I think worried. I think you have not taken your lunch. Have you taken
No, no,
lunch?
I have taken, but I have a work also. Actually,
Okay.
I have to make my assignment. So before talking to you, I was making.
Okay. Because when I sent you a message few days ago, you told me okay at 4 o'clock we'll have a conversation. But you did not mention. Then I thought, oh my God, really? You are very hardworking person, and you don't have time. That is why you are not able to connect with me. But when I saw your message today, so I got so happy. Yeah, and I can say,
Okay.
very
Yeah,
you are very religious, girl.
yeah, because I have also work at home, so sometimes I have to give the priority also. So
Right, definitely, definitely. So, how many hours do you get in a day? 2 hour, 3 hour, being a homemaker.
for household chores,
Now, how many hour do you get in a day? 2 hour,
for
3
learning.
for learning this language.
Okay, nowadays I am not getting much time because uh, sometimes I have to give my time to daughter also, and I am also doing an MBA, so I have to work on it also.
Okay, so nowadays you are doing MBA.
Yes,
What do you want to become?
I want to be. I want to become a independent.
Oh my God. Okay, every woman said that I want to become a independent, right?
Yes,
Okay, yeah, really, it is good. Hmm. Okay.
yes.
So tell me one thing: if you had lots of money, okay, then what would you do?
Okay, so I will learn new skills.
Okay,
Because new skill, if I had so many money, so I will learn new skills and yeah, and I will give to uh, needy person also.
okay, okay. That's great. You would help of the poor person, needed person,
Yes,
right?
yes.
No, wouldn't you give me money? Wouldn't you give me money?
Definitely, if I get so many money, then I will give you.
How much money? How much money would you give me if you had lots of money? Imagine.
I could not imagine.
Okay, it is very funny question, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. And second question, if you get chance to go to any place, okay, which place and which country would you like to visit?
First of all, I will go for Disneyland because I want to show my daughter. It is in, I think, Singapore and US also.
Okay.
And second, Maldives, I want to go there.
Oh, that's great. Is that
Yes.
very famous person? Famous places?
Yeah, Maldives is very famous.
Okay. So haven't you? I think haven't you gone there?
No, actually, I have seen two celebrity.
Okay.
They usually go there. So, and that is a nice place actually.
Okay, that's great. Definitely, I think if you have money, then you can go very easily, right?
Yes,
Mm.
yes.
So I think this video has recorded, 30 minutes. So I think it is enough today, and definitely we will have a conversation next day. Okay. So can you
Okay.
share me this video?
So can we collaborate?
Yeah, you can collaborate. You can upload and send me link. No problem.
Okay. Okay. And after that, I will send the number also. So you will
Mm.
send them message so they will add.
But today, huh?
Yeah, yeah. After that, I will give you.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, madam. And thank you.
Hmm.
Definitely, it was very nice conversation, and I learned so many things from you because you are also from Bihar. So first time I got who is who is from Bihar. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Thank you so much,
Okay.
madam. Okay, have a nice day. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Have a nice day. Same here. Okay. Bye bye.